Lamar, Mississippi is a place that doesn't have much. We don't have a stoplight. We don't have a police station. We don't have a grocery store. Residents in the community have to travel over 25 miles to access fresh, affordable, and healthy food. But I realize the only way I can really benefit the community is to go out there and do the work. My name is Jawan Page. I work at Amazon, and I'm also a Mississippi farmer and fourth generation steward of the land here in Mississippi. After I pay my bills and everything goes straight into the farm. Before we purchased this tractor, it was just a mess. The Mississippi version of a jungle. And I was driving this through 10 to 12 feet of thorns and bees and wasps, and it was scary. Today, we grow bell peppers, butter beans, sweet corn. Everything has been community-centered for families who may be in need.
It's such a blessing to have this, not just for my household, but for other people that we can pick for and drop off as well. Those who cannot get out, sick and shut in, that's who it benefits.
It's so hard to make an honest living in an area like this and have hope. I definitely want to be an example as an Amazonian, as an agriculturalist, but to be a part of the generation in a new era of light in the community, it's like a lot of emotion bought in one family, one piece of land, and one big dream to make this place a better place.